This conference will now be recorded.
Hey guys, welcome back to VL Infotech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add shop or store to your Facebook page and sell your products. And also you can sell your Amazon affiliate product links also, and so that you can earn money from that store or shop. Before going to this video, please subscribe to my channel VL Infotech and also click on the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. In this channel, I am going to discuss all the topics regarding Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all social media accounts, and also regarding websites and blogs. This is the overview of my website, my YouTube channel. Now we will go to our today's video. This is about how to add a store or a shop to your Facebook page and sell your products. And the steps are: open your Facebook page and create a store. And I will show you step by step how to create a store on your Facebook page. Let's get started. Open a new tab and type facebook.com, and this is the Facebook page. I have two Facebook pages. Inspirelife, Attitude is Everything, and one else is. Now I am going to select a page, Inspirelife. Select Inspirelife. And now you can see this is the page. Inspirelife, Attitude is Everything. And now you can see here home, services, reviews, shop, and more. And this is the place where we have to create our own shop or a store. Click on shop. And now you can see, to add a shop section to your page, please agree to our seller terms and policies. These important rules cover topics including listing products for sale, deliveries, returns and disputes, treatment of user data. You have to agree these policies and terms. To agree the seller's terms and policies, click on the checkbox here and click continue, and select checkout method. Choose how you want people to buy products from your shop. Message to buy. Let people send you messages to ask questions and arrange purchases. Or you want checkout on another website. Send people to another website to complete their purchases. Now I will explain you clearly what are these two options. Now if you click on message to buy, suppose you have a store or any boutique regarding your clothes or jewelry. Now you can select message to buy, because whenever a customer or a user wants to buy a product from your store, then immediately you will get a message. That's why, and so people are willing to buy a product from your store. Then you have to make arrangements to ship. Then people will know when they will get delivered, and also they will pay directly to you. This is one method. And if you select this second method, this is checkout on another website. Send people to another website to complete their purchases. What this mean is, If you want to promote your Amazon affiliate product links or Flipkart affiliate product links, then you have to use this checkout on another website. If you want to sell your own products, then you have to select message to buy. Now I am selecting checkout on another website. I'm going to sell my Amazon affiliate product links on my Facebook page. So I'm selecting checkout on another website. Click continue. Now they are showing setting up your shop. What currency do you use? This will be shown when you add prices to items in your shop. You have to select the currency. You want Indian rupee or USD or rhythm? Which currency you want? I'm selecting Indian rupee and click on save. You can select any type of currency. Now, welcome to your shop. Now your shop is successfully created. Now your shop isn't visible to customer until you add inventory. Get started by adding a product below. Now you can add product by clicking on add product, and now you can sell your products to customers or users. And in this way you can create your own shop or store on Facebook page and sell your products or your Amazon affiliate product links or Flipkart affiliate product links through your Facebook page. In the next video, I will show you how to add products to your shop or store on Facebook page and how to make a purchase from that product links and how you can earn money from that. I will show you in the next video. That's it for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. That's it for today. Bye bye.